Hello, my people. This is Julia Nwosu, and this is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. And in this channel, I talk about how to earn money, how to save money, and how to multiply money through investing, because this is what school did not teach you. And today, I'm letting you know all the things you need to know to help you financially. All right. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 major ways you can save and earn money in dollars. Let me take that again. 3 ways you can save money and earn in dollars. Right now, our naira is really depreciating, and it's really affecting a lot of things. The inflation is high, and it has affected us economically, and a lot of people do not know what to do. These are 3 simple ways that you can make your money have more value, so that you don't have to run around and get so worked up on daily basis. So the first one I'm going to talk about is investing in the US stock. Of course, that's where I'm going to start from, because the US stock market is the greatest cash machine of all times. Like, I literally have made so much money. There are different ways to make money in the stock market. You can make money from the capital growth of the companies you're buying their shares. One of the shares I bought last year was Upstart, and when I bought Upstart was clearly around $70 to $90, and when I sold, it was almost $300. And imagine me making almost $1,200 from one single purchase of a company's shares. So there's so much, and this is free money you did not contribute. You just put in your money, the company grew. So you need to understand that it's not every company that you just put in your money to buy their shares. So you need to know the right company, and that is one of the things I teach in my financial community. Okay, so you can use Passfolio, you can use Bamboo, you can use Trove. These are my favorite apps. For Passfolio and Bamboo, you can buy the US stock market. For Trove, why I like Trove is that it enables you to buy both the US stock shares and then the Nigerian stock shares too. And I'm going to do a video about that. If you're interested in learning that video, you can drop it in the comment section that you want to learn about that, and I'll be doing a video. So Passfolio, Bamboo, and Trove are my favorite apps that I use. If you want to get to know how to buy shares from the comfort of your home with as little as 2,000 naira, you can watch the video I'm putting in the description link, how to buy US stock from the comfort of your home with as little as 2,000 naira. So click on that link and please watch that video. All right, so another way is earning in dividends. When you buy shares from companies that give you dividends, are like companies' profits that they share with you in simplest form that you can, for you to understand. All right, so when these companies are sharing profit, they give you a certain percentage according to the money and the number of shares that you have in the company. So assuming you're buying from a company that the value of the shares is like $300, and you didn't buy up to $300, you're able to buy like $100, which is not even up to a share. They're going to give you a percentage of that same according to that you're less than 1 share. So everything is automated. You don't need to crack your head. It's being calculated. When you buy, you earn. So that way you are earning dollars, not naira. You're earning dollars. Okay, now the second way you're going to save your money and earn in dollars is when you open a dollar domiciliary account from your bank, your local bank. We have so many banks: GT Bank, Zenith, Access, Fidelity, so many other banks. All right, so these banks can afford you to open a domiciliary account. It doesn't take any money. When you get into the bank, you submit your utility bill and probably your ID card and maybe a couple of other things that they would be requiring. It's easier when you already have an account with your bank and you request for a US domiciliary account, and it can be opened in 5 to 7 days and you can actually save money, because my interest in having a domiciliary account is that you're going to be saving your money in a reputable institution, and then you can actually receive dollars, especially if you have businesses like maybe you have a book on Amazon, or someone sends money through your domiciliary account. When you withdraw, you can change it and you can earn good money when you convert it to naira. So, but the bad side of it is that they actually have fees. So each time you're doing a transaction, there are some fees attached. So sometimes people really do not like it, but that's a second way that you can save money and earn in dollars. Let's go to the third one and the last one. All right, when you create a dollar wallet with a fintech apps like PiggyVest, like Cowrywise, and these are my two top and favorite, PiggyVest and Cowrywise. For Cowrywise, they actually have a dollar mutual fund where you can actually put in your money in the dollar mutual fund and you can earn up to 7% per annum. That's interesting. That's like earning interest on your dollars. So by the time you leave your $1,000 and at the end of the year you have 7%, that's amazing. That's money you can use to spend in Christmas. There are different ways to walk around this whole thing. So this is where you can use it very well. So you can buy a dollar mutual fund. That's investment that returns, and it depends on the number of years you want to leave it. So if you want to leave it for like 6 months, you can get probably up to 7%. If you want to leave the money there for like a year or 2 years or 3 years, it can actually go even more than 10%. So depending on how you're going to do that. But then even if you do not want to save it in dollar, you want to save it in naira, because you're using this fintech app, they also make it available so that you don't have to convert anything. You can just quickly move it into your local bank account and you can use the money. So this is why I love giving information, because as our naira is depreciating, you need to start thinking smart so that you know exactly where to put your money to make the most use of it. That your little salary, that little money you have in your bank account, that little savings you have, you can actually put it to work. Anytime you have a need for it, you can always pull it out. But then it's not sitting in the bank and earning that tiny, interest fee. When you put it to work, it brings you loads of good benefits. It brings you good returns, and these are very safe investments that you can put in your money, and your money will work for you 24/7. So this is why I am doing this, so that you get informed. You don't have to say, I don't know about this information, I didn't hear about it. Now you know, or now you know you should do the right thing. So the question is, did you learn anything powerful from this video? Did you enjoy? Did you get some nuggets? Did you learn the right things to do now? Please like this video. It will help me to do more videos, and it will also make YouTube to show this video to more people. And please drop a comment, something, thank you, nice one, whatever, because very soon we will start sharing something. We'll start doing a giveaway to those who drop comments in our videos. So please share this video with your friends. Bless their life with wonderful information. Be the kind of friend that will empower other people, that will help them to become better. And this is where I'm ending it, and I will see you in the next video.